Hey guys.
Oh, mother's like a hook.
Oh, what's happening?
That's the thing. Jamie won't be able to get it up in
there
without.
Well, today me and Lily are going to Wet n Wild, and this morning.
Hey.
Say hi. You're in it.
My mum's brain dead at the moment. Don't worry. She's sick.
There's something happening outside.
There's a baby
bird. I will show you. So in that box there is a baby bird. If you see like a black thing like there, that's it. It's so tiny. I found it when I went to get my togs for my swimmers this morning. I found it struggling in the grass. Oh, so emotional. So yeah, we're going. As you can tell by the title, we're going to Wet n Wild, which is a water park. Yeah.
Just let her get whatever, Jamie.
Oh, you said for me? Listen.
Hey guys, now we're in the car. People have just gone to get off to get us food because we're freaking hungry. The bird is...
I don't know how little birdie's going, but we left it at home with Mum.
I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing I found it. I think it's a good thing. Actually, I have no idea. So,
now my dad's getting us something from the bakery.
there's the bakery. Oh.
Yeah, there's a bakery right there.
I didn't see the same bakery, and they saw the Groovy Grouper and the sports store and the Australia Post. And there was the same bakery right next to it.
Weird place.
I know.
And there's a gas station.
I think, are we getting a pie or a sausage roll? Sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
We're here. I didn't bring my purse.
You didn't bring your purse?
We're here. See? Look at this. This is gonna be fun. Yes. So we're here. We're lining up. Get there. You're not even in the shot. I told them. Oh.
Yeah, we're at Wet n Wild. Show them the end thing. Turn around. Turn around the other way. Other way.
Ah, yeah, that.
Southeast Queensland is prone to severe thunderstorms and drastic changes in
Yes,
weather conditions
it is.
without notice.
We're still lining up.
Hello.
Hello. We're still lining up. I don't know what she's doing, but I don't. So, how many rides have we been on?
Like 5 times.
5. So in the 11:50, and we've only been here for about an hour and 15 minutes. And we've been on like 5 rides. One gives you a massive wedgie, and I went on that one twice. Just wait, I need to open up my drink. Free. We went on that thing, and I'm getting a drink now. And then what are we doing? Are we gonna eat soon? And then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go on more rides. So yeah, I'm relaxing on a nice gesture. See, if you're hire a cabin or something, what you gonna call it? This is what you get. Yeah. And then you're in a little area where you just chillax. And yeah, I'm thinking about going back in there again. Just to relax, maybe. Probably after. So, relaxation. So, the park closed because there's a storm. We're lining up to go on a ride, and then the person was like, bad news, it's closed, and then
rude.
and then everything else shut, and then so
Yeah, we had to walk up and down the stairs.
yeah, so the walk up was painful. The walk down wasn't really that painful, but oh my gosh, look at the
Still
storm.
a hassle.
See, that's the storm. Ooh. There's lightning everywhere. Hey Lily, so new. Yeah, so there was lightning everywhere, and yeah. The first bit of thunder actually scared me. I'm like,
Oh, what is Australian accent?
it's like
Exactly what it says.
it's like horse racing. Not horse racing, but it's like lightning plays. Don't know if you can hear that. Probably can't. Just made. We have like an hour's drive home.
Probably more than ours because we're like trying
It's now hailing. Huh? I'm doing a vlog. It's now hailing.
Hey.
It's barely even see in front. It's windy outside. See? See? Can't really see because we're driving, but stormy. I love storms, but storm's over. See? It's like blue sky, gray clouds. Blue sky, gray clouds. Yeah, it's over. The night straight ahead is like blue sky. It's over. This is deja vu. I don't know why. I've never heard this before. Well, I've heard this song, it's good by One Direction, but I've never heard this remix. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool, when we know it's true. 11 days to go. Well, when you see this, it's 6 days to go. Hey guys, yeah, sorry you can't see my face, but look at this. I am red as anything. I got sunburn, I'll show you. See, look at this, I'm sunburnt. And then look, I even got sunburnt on my thigh. What is this? I think I'm sunburnt on my back a bit. I don't know, but yeah. Well, this ends my vlog, guys. I hope you like it. And next week's vlog is going to be very, very special. Okay? It features some special guests. You should know these people. You definitely know these people. Special guests. Special guest, that's right. It's not Lily, it's not my sister. I'm not related to this I'm not related to Lily Bell. I'm not related to this person whatsoever. These people whatsoever. You guys just have to wait and find out what it is next Thursday. Bye.